friends, Running Kimono here. So this is the Walgreens preview for the week of January the 24th to the 30th of 2020. Well, with this new week, we have a new month over at Walgreens. And even though it's kind of like the end of January and it's not February 1, it's just how they do it over there. So we will have probably some new monthly deals and a bit of razzle dazzle and magic, as it always is. And just to talk about a couple things first off, the week previous, we had 4 of these. We had 2 10 off of 30s and 2 5 off of 25s, and then they just pulled them into the middle of the month. This one's valid from the 19th to the 25th, as per the writing there. And it says store-wide coupon, and I was able to use this actually in store. So it is in fact working. So this transfers a couple days into the new week, or like 2 days into the new week. So if you want to do some deals and use this in concert for this specific booster, you can actually, use Walgreens cash to pay down your balance and get some tremendous savings. Yesterday, I went and got a whole bunch of Cottonelle, and it was just a really great haul to have a 10 off of 30, with Cottonelle. I mean, it's just amazing. So double, triple check your accounts if you might have these and look at the dates. And then also in their flyer, they have this advertised for mystery deals, and this one is specifically from the 24th to the 30th. So they often put like a couple different ones, and it's somewhat confusing. So you really have to pay attention what you have and how they work and all that stuff. And the one that I received for this week is $5 of Walgreens cash when you spend 20. Because the word spend is in there, guys, you have to pay cash for the balance. So I have to use my credit card, my debit card, pay in pennies, pay in bills, whatever. Don't use your Walgreens cash. Pay money for this one. And again, it's valid from the 24th to the 30th. And again, guys, can't stress it enough. This is a new month over at Walgreens, so there will be new monthly promotions. So hotter deals I'll have for you in subsequent videos, and a new big book of savings. And any of the IVCs that you're seeing digitally, they're not activated till Sunday, just to note that. Well, yesterday I made a little video of this 90% off. They're called the share size or sharing bags of both the Snickers and then this variety pack. So original price point is $3.99 down to 40 cents. Not every store has this yet, but they probably will all hit this price point with this clearance. Clearance is always a your mileage may vary, meaning whatever's happening here in Michigan, it might be a week before it happens in Texas. But be on the lookout for this, because 90% off for Snickers is absolutely unheard of. If you are so lucky to find a bag for 40 cents, grab it, the one specifically with the Snickers. And on Shopkick, there's 150 points back when you buy one of these sharing bags. So basically that shakes it out to free. One per Shopkick account, but how fantastic is this? I got a bag completely for free. And one of my subscribers mentioned this to me, and she was right on the money. So thank you so much. What a fantastic deal. Okay, the next deal that we have is with the Sargento Cheese. We have a digital 75-cent off, and as you can see, there's a 99-cent cup that you will find like in the refrigerated section at your local Walgreens, dropping it down to 24 cents. Let's not forget to photograph your receipt to the Fetch Rewards app for this purchase, because Sargento is one of their products that you get back extra points for this purchase. Hey, that's kind of awesome. These little cups also found in the fridge section at your Walgreens. They are called the Balanced Breaks, so some cheese and some nuts. Hey, if you're doing keto or one of those diets, this might be something for you. We have a $1 digital coupon. As you can see, they're 2 for $3, so hey, that's a great price point. Go to coupons.com, print out one of these because it's $1 off one of those Balanced Break packs. So like, how fantastic is this? So just looking at the math really quickly, what you're going to do is grab 2 of the Sargento Balanced Breaks. So they're 2 for $3. Subtracting, a digital or 2 from coupons.com, whichever one you want to use. You'll end up paying $1 for 2, or they're 50 cents per pack of like cheese and nuts. It is okay to use Walgreens cash to pay down your balance for this one. Photograph your receipt to the Fetch Rewards app. Sargento is part of their line. If you're trying to use this specific product in concert with one of those boosters, like $5 of Walgreens cash when you spend 20, don't. Here's why. Because I believe dairy is always excluded, like dairy, gift cards, alcohol, cigarettes, those sort of items, and dairy is always in there. And if this is part, like they have it coded in or whatever through the programming, this might make your basket short for $20 or $30. So do this one on its own. Don't do it in concert with a booster deal. Okay, Now, Sargento is part of the Fetch Rewards app. Let's take a quick second. What is this app all about? Well, this is simply one of the greatest apps for shopping, couponing, extreme couponing. Your grandma can use it. Just basically what you do is download the app, use my referral code right at the top of the screen, and when you photograph your first receipt, it could be a pack of gum you bought last week or an Egg McMuffin you bought this morning. You're going to be given 2,000 points when you use my referral code, top of the screen. So you're basically given $2. And basically, guys, you photograph any and every receipt that you get through your shopping, groceries, whatever, you get back extra points. Like, how wonderful is that? If you get really ambitious for new signups only, you can either get a Dunkin' Donuts or Starbucks gift cards. Gift cards start around that $3, $5 mark, and they tend to be very generous with new signups where you probably can get a gift card by the end of the day. If you're interested, check out the link in the notes and don't forget to use my referral code. Okay, so first deal that we're going to talk about here is with the Colgate, $2.99. When you buy 2 of these, you get back a $5 register reward. Now, for those that don't get any insert coupons, perhaps there will be digital Sunday moving forward. We never know. Looking at this deal 2 different ways, because I know there were both $1 and 50-cent coupons. We'll go with the $1 ones first, grabbing 2 of the Colgates for $5.98, subtracting that $1 from the Smart Source of January the 17th, 2 of those. You're paying $3.98 out of pocket, getting back a $5 register reward, free plus a $1.02 money maker. Now, if you might only have the 50 centers, same math, subtracting 2 50-cent coupons, you're paying $4.98, getting back a $5 register reward. Hey, that's some free toothpaste. And if you wish to use your Walgreens cash to pay down your balance, absolutely go for it. Okay, guys, so we're going to look at using the digital booster plus one of these paper boosters if you were so lucky to get it. I have a 6-pack when I spend $30 plus this digital of $5 when I spend $20. Pairing those together, well, that's $11 back and a little bit of magic. So for this deal, we're going to dive into this, which is a monthly deal of buy 2, get the 3rd for free on Cetaphil, all these other things. It's basically skincare, but we're going to go with Nivea skincare for this one. Why not? As you can see, there's a very generous $3 coupon on Nivea Breathable Lotion. It has to have the word breathable. Please pay attention in your store. A $3 coupon for skincare is exceptionally generous. That's why I'm going with this one. And then also we're going to grab 2 of these Scots. We had $1 in the Jan 17th Smart Source. And then also to balance our basket out to $30, we're also going to throw that Colgate deal that I just showed you, throwing 2 tubes to get our basket right to $30. So, you know, this is somewhat a meat and potato sort of basket stuff for your household. So looking at it again, 3 of the Nivea Breathables at $8.49. We're only paying for 2 of them. So there it is at $17.58. 2 of the Colgate toothpastes at $2.99. That's $5.98. And then 2 Scott's toilet papers. That's $10 on the nose. Subtracting that $1.25 IVC found in the February Big Book, that subtracts $2.50. So the new total is $7.50. Adding that merchandise after the IVC is $31.06. Now, get the cashier to scan your $6 of Walgreens cash when you spend $30, that booster, along with having the other one loaded digitally. You'll present $2 coupons from the Smart Source of Jan 17th for the Colgate. Present 2 $3 coupons for the Nivea from coupons.com, shaving off $6 right there. And then 2 $1 coupons from the Scott of January the 17th for those packs of toilet paper. You're left with paying $21.06 cash out of pocket. Because the word spend is in the verbiage of those boosters, you must pay cash for the balance. Credit card, debit card, pennies, whatever you have, do not use your Walgreens cash to pay down your balance. So you're left with getting a $5 register reward for the Colgate plus $11 in Walgreens cash for the 2 different boosters, making this haul $5.06 for, you know, the 7 items, which is fantastic. Let's not forget to use the Fetch Rewards app for the Scott's toilet paper, because I think they have pretty generous boosters right now for that. You might get 75 cents back, but how wonderful is this deal? Okay, so now let's look at this 3 for $9.99. As you can see in the 3rd little line, it says Canada Dry. So, that's kind of interesting. Now, if you go over to your IBOTTA account, they have a new type of Canada Dry called Canada Dry Zero Sugar. If your store might have it, grab 3 of those for $9.99. And then you'll pay that and then make a $1 submission times 3 as you're getting 3 of them, dropping it down to $6.99 for the 3 Canada Dry Zeros, or $2.33 each. If you wish to use your Walgreens cash to pay down your balance, absolutely go for it. What a great little deal. Okay, so now we have the Downy Tide. I know there was a 50-cent coupon in the Retail Me Not of January the 17th, but man, you really can't do much with a 50-center. And then there's like a million miles of like only one per household or else. So, I mean, forget it. I would rather use a register reward. Grabbing 3 of these, get back another $3 register reward. Use one from a different promotion. I have this one for some toothpaste from the week previous. Hey, why not? I'll throw this one into the mix. It's a lot better than a 50-center. Grabbing 3 of those Downy fabric softeners, that's $8.97. Subtracting a $4 register reward, I would have to pay $4.97 out of pocket. Get back a $3 register reward. If I wish to use my Walgreens cash to pay down the balance, that's cool. The other register reward will still print, and, you know, some inexpensive fabric softener. Okay, the next deal that we have is with the Crest. I know there's a $2 digital for the toothpaste still floating around, plus dollar digitals, so perhaps we can work a deal out that way. Grabbing 2 Crests for $5.98, subtracting a $2 digital manufacturer, you're paying $3.98 out of pocket, getting back a $3.50 register reward, 48 cents for the 2. And if you want to use your Walgreens cash to pay down your balance, that register reward will still print. On Sunday morning, moving forward, perhaps there might be a really high value Crest coupon showing up. So we'll have to keep a watchful eye out for that one. Okay, so let's talk about some honorable mentions. The first one is this. It's a buy 3, get 1 for free on these All in Snuggle products. IBOTTA has exceptionally high cashbacks. It's at every store except for Walgreens. Will this come to Walgreens in the week? Will it not? That's the only way we can shake or bake to make a deal with this, because it's still kind of expensive. The P&G offer is much better with the register reward, but if this is your favorite thing, definitely keep looking at your IBOTTA account if something appears later in the week. Okay, and Gillette, I'm wondering if some very high value digital coupons will be showing up. I know a lot of them are expiring on Saturday, but still, they have a spend 20, get back $10 in Walgreens cash. That's a 50% ROI. So maybe we can make a deal happen. Remember, for this one, you have to pay cash for the balance. Pennies, debit card, you know, Benjamins, whatever you have. Don't use your Walgreens cash because it has the word spend in the verbiage. Okay, and now a BOGO free on these different hand sanitizers and soaps. I know a lot of this is on clearance, so I mean, if it's like 40 cents, can you imagine how much you can get really inexpensive with the BOGO free? And then this Coke deal, buy 2 at $6.49, get 1 for free. So, you know, if you want to load up on this might be a deal for you. And then the final little offer, if you have register rewards and you need a filler item, this is fantastic, which is the Arizona, the canned or the bottled iced teas, 2 for $1, 50 cents each. How wonderful is that? As always, thanks for watching, guys, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.